Hey friends, TUXX here. For this particular video, we'll be taking a look at the AC29 thumb camera. This is a 4K Ultra HD camera, which was actually a viewer suggestion after hearing my complaints about shooting video in big areas like arenas and that kind of thing when there's a lot of people around. Apparently this is what they use at Dragon Con and some other cons, and I thought I might as well go ahead and give it a try. So you can see this is how it comes from Amazon, and I will have a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours at the very best price. I'd say it's definitely giftable. I like the fact it comes in a retail ready box, not like a brown cardboard type box. So it's very giftable, looks nice, very presentable. On the front here it talks about having a Wi-Fi connection and an electronic image stabilization, which actually is pretty good for being a small kind of no-name camera. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Well, got my trusty scissors. We'll give this a little pop on the top and see how this baby does. Like, I really could use something for BlizzCon, so I'm hoping this is going to be maybe a good walk-around solution. Like, if I'm going through the Dark Moon Fair or big, heavily congested areas with people, I can record some footage with it without having to hold up a camera and do a whole camera recording thing, So looking at the box, it is very small. The box itself is, it's like 2 inches by 2 inches by 1.5 inches or something. I don't know. It's a small box, small box. Looking at once we open it up here, there is instructions, very basic instructions. As far as the user manual goes, just a few pages. There is a code there you can pause and get if you want to get instructions, and then it talks about the different buttons, power, Wi-Fi indicator, and it does have Wi-Fi, so that's another cool little touch. Release lock, magnetic charging pin, interesting. It does have a 1/4 inch mount screw, so you could screw it onto a tripod or something, which is good. So, and it's USB-C, so I'm liking all of those things for sure. Looks in the back here. Looks like we do have little symbols for red for bad, blue for good, for Wi-Fi on and off, and green. So it does explain the whole situation quite nicely. Pulling the camera out of the box here. We'll just pull this out and look at it real quick. You can see very, very small camera, very teeny. We'll just pull this out here, and oh, it is magnetic, so that's interesting. It just kind of clicks in place. Here we go. We'll kind of release this and check this out. So yeah, so this can be very teeny, very easy to wear. I like the way it actually has a nice little cradle, and you see there's a tripod mount, so that will magnetically stick in there too, which can make this really useful for shooting, perhaps wearing this or putting this on a tripod for shooting. Now there is some other accessories in the box here. We'll check it out together real quick. Pulling this out here, giving a little pull. Let's see what else we have in here. Inside the box we do have, oh, there's some good stuff in here. Check it out. There is is this magnetic? Could it be magnetic? Here, let's see. We'll pull this off here, and this is, indeed it is magnetic. Look at that. That is pretty handy, actually. So, like in the braid, we have a nice braided cord here. So it's like a little lanyard you can wear around your neck. So you could actually catch B-roll. I hope this would like stay on your chest and not like flip around backwards. But it looks like with the larger back, it would actually stay mounted nicely on your chest. And you can record footage like as you walk through a crowd, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and peel the little tab off here. This says peel off just like that. This is 4K, so very cool. We'll pull off the back here. That is for the sensor for charging. Okay, so it does have a charge, and you can see how that connects right to the two little dots right there. So it just mounts up very easily. Oh, you can see the light on there, so very cool. This is actually impressing me to this point. Inside the box here, we do have a few other accessories. We have a USB-C cable. You guys know I love new cables with new devices. We have some different like little 3M adhesive strips, and you can see this is mountable here for a tripod. Looks like we have a couple options here. This one here is like a clip for your shirt, or well, maybe your shirt. It looks like definitely a clip, and there is like some 3M tape on here as well, so you can mount it to a car or something, which is pretty cool. And then there's one other little thing in here which looks like an even longer USB-C cable. So to recap the stats here pretty quickly, we have a 150 wide angle lens. It's Wi-Fi connectable. It has electronic image stabilization, and that's a huge plus for being a small, inexpensive camera. Thumb size design, okay, nice and teeny, which is good. And of course, they give you a lot of options here for mounting too, so it's cool. It actually comes with all those little mounts. So all in all, I'd say this is a winner. I may go ahead and test this in the field. I may have some additional comments down below, which I'll pin and show you guys later. But I would say I'm thoroughly impressed actually with this. There's a USB-C for charging, and there is a power indicator right there as well. So all in all, I'd say this camera looks pretty nice. You know, I'm really digging this lanyard. That really makes it handy. You can put it on mirrors, you can do all sorts of cool stuff with it. Very nice. And you can charge it with the USB-C here. You can see here I'm at Key West Beach right now, just giving this a little charge. So very cool, really handy, and I love the way you can just snap it off magnetically too. So really strong magnet, makes it really versatile. So definitely a cool little touch. To recap, this is the AC29 Ultra 4K camera, and for everything you get in here, it's actually a pretty good little package. Love the fact it comes with this little magnetic charging holder. Very cool. This is probably the nicest like little inexpensive no-name camera I have for just random filming stuff. Loving this little lanyard feature. I could totally see myself wearing this at a con around my neck, so very convenient and very easy. If you guys have any question about this 4K camera, reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You guys know I'm here to help, okay? All right, friends, we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.